Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but tonight is the night. So I'm actually sitting here. I've been trying to figure out how to use my DSLR camera for video, which I know isn't supposed to be a very complicated thing. I'm definitely an amateur when it comes to this. I've had this camera for like a year actually, and I bought it with the intent to use it more for photography versus using it for YouTube, because YouTube is something I got into relatively recently, and I'm having such a hard time with getting this thing to focus when I'm on video. And I'm using the standard kit lens, the 18-55, and it's not in focus, or it's too bright or too dark. And I know that these are all things that I can probably just watch a few YouTube videos on, and I'm intend on doing that later this weekend. But yeah, if you guys happen to have the Canon Rebel T6 and you have any tips or any videos that you found on YouTube that were helpful, please let me know. I would really appreciate that. So yeah, anyway, so we're gonna clean the house tonight. I have a few things to do. I need a lot of laundry done. I actually just cleaned up the kitchen real quick, and I shot it on my phone. So I'm actually going to be wearing another outfit in that video, just a different top. So you'll see that right now, and then we're going to move on and do the laundry and yeah, a few other things. So thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. If you like it, please go ahead and like it down below. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for coming along on my channel. I'm so glad to have you. If you're an existing subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. It means a lot to me. So let's go ahead and clean the house. Sorry you guys are seeing me again with no makeup. It just seems like every time I'm filming a video, I'm not wearing makeup, so I promise that I look better sometimes. So let's go ahead and do it, and let's go. So I have a thought. I have a chair in my room that I never sit in because it just is a chair that accumulates stuff, and I feel like this is just the problem with having a chair in your bedroom. It accumulates stuff, and I don't like it. So what do you guys think about me moving the chair in here and putting it right next to the fireplace? I'm trying to decide if that's gonna like make it look too crowded, and I don't really know what direction to face the chair, because I feel like if I face it this way, like, is it gonna stick out too much? I don't know. It's gonna be a little bit of effort for me to get the chair out here, so I don't wanna like do it and then like, well, whatever. I have all night, I could do it. But yeah, I'm thinking about moving it in here. So we'll see how that looks. I feel like it would actually match the aesthetic that I have going on out here. It actually matches the aesthetic a little bit more than even my bedroom. So I think I'm gonna try that and see how it looks. Yeah, Rosie's fast asleep. But yeah, let's do that right now actually. I know I said I was gonna clean, but I really wanna see how that chair looks out here. Really like this. I feel like it just kind of like ties this room together a little bit more. I don't know, I felt like that looked a little empty over there. Don't mind that, I need to clean that up. And I know that the dog things are there, but isn't that so cute? I think that looks actually really cute. I think I'm gonna keep it there. or I'll try it out for a couple days and see how it looks, but probably it's just gonna be another place for the dogs to sit, honestly. But yeah, I like it. Let's keep it.